This video lesson is about kinds of fractions. So what are the kinds of fractions? These are the proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. So proper fractions are fractions whose numerators are less than the denominator. It means that the numerator is lesser than the denominators. So these are the examples, some examples of proper fractions. 2/3, 4/5, 50/100, and 1/4. So as you can see, all the denominator or the upper part is lesser than the denominator. That's why these are some examples of proper fractions. Improper fractions are fractions whose numerators are greater than the denominator. It means that the numerator is greater number than the denominator. So these are the examples of improper fractions. 3/2, 5/4, 100/50, and 8/5. So as you can see, all the numerator or the upper number are greater than the denominator or the bottom number. So there are the examples of improper fractions. Mixed number. Mixed numbers has a whole number and a proper fraction written together. So the examples of mixed numbers are 1 3/4 and 10 and 1/2. 1 and 10 are the whole number on that mixed number. So the middle number, as you can see, is the whole number. And the proper fractions are the 3/4 and 1/2. So if you see a whole number on a fraction, this is what you call the mixed numbers. So can you identify the fractions? Identify by writing a proper fraction, improper fractions, or a mixed number. So number 1 is 4/5, 6/4, 1/3, 2 2/5, and 6/9. So I'll give you 10 seconds to identify the different fractions on each number. So your time starts now. Time is up. So let's try to identify the fractions in each number. So number 1, 4/5 is a example of a proper fractions because the numerator is less than the denominator. Number 2, 6/4 is an example of improper fractions because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Number 3, 1/3 is an example of a proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. Number 4, 2 2/5. As you can see, there is a whole number, so that it is a mixed number. And number 5, 6/9 is a proper fractions because the numerator is less than the denominator.